I'm going to show you how you can use YouTube Creator AI for all your video title testing. First, come to the video title generator, put in some keywords or your video topic and hit generate titles. I'm going to be kind of meta here where I'm going to do a title about this video, how I use YouTube Creator AI for A/B title testing. So let's generate titles. My website is new, so it should do a search to see, hey, what does this tool do? So it's going to give us five ideas here: YouTube Creator AI, A/B title test titles and grow, A/B test YouTube titles with my AI. So let's save all these to notes. Okay, so let's say you like two of these titles here. We can boost views. So I like this title and I like this title. So once we hit these, it's going to carry these two titles here to our A/B testing lab. And we have a couple options here. Here's our two titles that we can compare, and we can also generate two additional titles based off of this. So let's first do our compare these two titles that we like. So you can use our title generator, get 5 titles, see which the best one relates to your current video or what you're working on, and then you can choose a couple of them, come down to our title showdown, and this helps you get the best title like the first time, so you don't have to post the video and then wait to see how it tests. You should be able to do this title and improve your views immediately. So analysis of title A. It gives us the pros: boost views, A/B test titles; cons, at least 50 characters, generally within the recommended length, but it could be slightly more concise. Analysis title B at 40 characters, very short, mobile friendly. YouTube Creator AI. Expert recommendation: YouTube Creator AI, A/B test titles and grow. And that's a great title. YouTube is a great search. Creator AI, it mentions the tool, so we can save those analysis to notes. Or we could go ahead and let's A/B title test this. So once we put this topic in once, it's going to carry over. And I'm using this for this particular example. So you can put in any video topic. So I want you to try it out for whatever videos that you're making. Put it in here. So our A/B test is going to give us a title and the thumbnail. The first one's usually going to be a direct SEO, how I use YouTube Creator AI.com to A/B test titles, and that is really just a great simple title, but it's straight to the point there. And then a curiosity and emotion, my secret AI weapon for 200% more YouTube clicks. You're missing out. That's a little bit more sensational title, but if you're video, if you want to go with that, that's an option as well. And you can also copy both of these titles and compare them here, or come up to the title generator. Hey, I want to compare. I want this one to be A now and this one to be B, and then come down to the testing lab, and these are both going to carry over, and you can compare those titles as well. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. Just put in your keywords or some topics, get some great titles. It'll help you with titles for a shorts video, and it'll make them a little bit tighter. YouTubeCreatorAI.com. Email me at Mateo@YouTubeCreatorAI.com if you'd like a free trial. Thanks.